Hello everyone, welcome to another video. I'm Michelle and today I want to show you what I got from Hobby Lobby. They're having they've got a clearance sale going on in their beads, in their strung bead section. And I went to pick up some supplies to make the tutorial for the tribal style necklace. So it worked out great. So let me just show you what I got. Alright, I got some of this mixed media chain, and I thought it was adorable. It was regular $3.99. I got it for 99 cents each. I thought I got one more of those, but yeah, here it is. I got all they had of those. I've seen these, and I just haven't picked them up, so it's great that they came on sale. Alright, next. Okay, I was looking for some larger hole porcelain beads. It's really what I needed to really get that tutorial started. And so they didn't have hardly any porcelain beads, but they did have these. These red heart, or these multicolor hearts. This one here's got something going on. See that? It's got a hole. I just noticed that. Where the, I don't know, the outside of the coating or something is messing up on that one. But I did not get this on sale. I did not wait till next week when their strung beads will be, 50% off, because I needed it now. So I paid $4.99 for this strand of porcelain beads. And see, the holes are larger. I just hope they're big enough. And it goes great with that chain. Everything I got pretty much corresponds with each other, because I got it for one project, or all the strands of beads anyway. Now here is some, I don't know if they're wood because that sticker's covering it up. Let's see what it says. Bone. Get some bone beads. And it's nice to have some smaller beads like this when you're doing multi-strand anything. So, and they're different shapes too. There's like some tubes, and then some, like regular seed beads. There's some Hashi in there, interspersed. And there's 3 strands for 99 cents. Then I got some of these Hershey beads, clay Hashi beads. Perfect colors. If you notice, the colors are muted a little bit. I like that for this particular style necklace. And I paid $2.99 for those. Alright, I got this for 99 cents, regular $3.99, and it doesn't say what kind of material. At all. Thought they were cool. Look at those, there's like striations in the color. Let's see, do they have a large hole, I wonder? No large hole. Alright, and then their Hello Sunshine, I think. They always put the stickers over the important information, seems like. Hello, happy. What does it say? Let me take this sticker off real fast. Sorry about this, but this is a brand that I'm not particularly used to. Hello Happy. And isn't that pretty? It says make every day count. And I believe it's a pendant. It's a beautiful finish on this. Can you read the... I don't know if you can read the writing on here. So it's gold and silver. So that's, I thought that was really cute. I love the mixed metals. And then Hello Happy. These were 50% off. Well, that one was on clearance, but this one was 50% off. Look how pretty. That's a more matted silver. That is gorgeous. I just love that. And look at the back. It's got a little heart. You could probably engrave on that as well. I thought that was special, so I got that for $2. And I got what I think is going to be the pendant for our necklace, our tribal style necklace. And I'm hoping I can drill that hole bigger myself with my drill. Or Mom's drill. Because I would bring all the cords up through. That way the pendant isn't dangling, it's just real close to the beads on the necklace. And that was half off, so I got that for $2. Alright, I think that's all the strands, but I went back to the button section and they had 50% off their buttons. So this is Sewology buttons. Aren't they beautiful? That's vitriol. Look how pretty those are. Regular $3.29. I got 50% off that. About $1.70. I paid for these 4 shank buttons. They have a shank on the back. I thought those would be gorgeous as a clasp or as a focal. Really pretty. Pretty buttons. And next I got these. Regular $5. Look at that, like weave woven metal. Basket weave. Also Sewology. 22mm buttons. These are 20mm. I love the antique copper finish of these buttons. And I paid $2.50. They're also shank, machine washable, dry cleanable buttons. And I also got these buttons. And it's, you know, mixed metals. It's got bronze, it's got silver and gold. Regular $4.99. I got them for half off. So about $2.50. 25mm Sewology. Also machine washable, you know. Guess that means water won't hurt. I thought those were cool. They're like 3, they're kind of built up and then have like a little ball in the center, it seems, holding it all down like a rivet. I thought those were really cute. So here's my little haul from Hobby Lobby, and like I said, hopefully I'll be using most of this in my tutorial coming up real soon. I'll probably start working on that now. So everyone have a great day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy my videos, and I'll see you in the next one.